Hi, my name is David Perez over at Bill Caldwell Ford. For this week's Feature Friday, we're going to demonstrate auto hold. So while on this auto hold feature, this allows the vehicle to be in a complete stopping position. So on that stop and go, heavy construction traffic, while you're bumper to bumper with someone else in front of you, behind you, the vehicle will stay in that positioning, even with your foot off that brake pedal. Then if you want to move forward, just hit the acceleration pedal slightly, obviously, depending on the speed of the construction or that stop and go traffic. The beauty of that too, and when you're in that brake position, the illumination, the lighting will be on, letting people know behind you that the vehicle is in that stop position. The location of the button varies with vehicle, but with this Bronco Sport, it's going to be right here in the center. When you push the button, it'll illuminate on. So currently I have my foot on that brake pedal. The feature is currently activated. I will have my foot off that brake pedal. Now it's in that current stop. I will adjust my foot into the acceleration, slightly moving the vehicle, putting it back in the braking position, all the way down to the complete brake, letting go. Now you're at that stopping position. This is the auto hold feature. For any more questions, please contact us over at Bill Caldwell Ford. Again, thank you for watching. My name is David Perez.